Hare Krishna. I've been asked by devotees associated with the Venerable Vaisheshika Prabhu to speak some words of encouragement for their efforts in trying to fulfill an idea that he's promoting, which is to distribute 2.2 million Bhagavad Gitas within the Christmas season and a bit extended. First of all, I have to say, if you're associated with Vaisheshika Prabhu, either as a directly initiated disciple or taking inspiration or guidance from him, you're very, very fortunate. He's in the heart of Srila Prabhupada, his books, distributing them. And I've been asked to give some words of encouragement, but actually it is you, the book distributors, who are encouraging the whole movement. Srila Prabhupada himself was most encouraged by the book distribution scores as he was lying, exhibiting the pastime of sickness in the last few months before he passed away. And Tamal Krishna Goswami didn't want to read any letters or news to him because that would disturb, he didn't want to disturb Srila Prabhupada's mind, in the sense that Srila Prabhupada, he was showing the example of how to prepare oneself for departing from this world by being absorbed only in Krishna Katha. But Srila Prabhupada loved to hear stories of preaching, and he loved to hear about the book distribution. So I can try and enthuse you, but really you are enthusing, you who are distributing the books, are enthusing Srila Prabhupada himself. As far as what to do, why to do, how to do, you already know. You're getting good guidance from Vaisheshika Prabhu, so just all I can say is, please do it, and thank you for remembering me. I'm blessed that book distributors are remembering me. I can get some mercy from Srila Prabhupada in this way also, the huge mercy that you're getting for the sacrifices that you have to undertake. It's not easy to distribute books. That's one thing everyone who distributes books will know, even devotees like Vaisheshika Prabhu and Brigupati, who've been literally doing it all their lives. It's not easy, but it attracts the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, and distributing his books is showering the mercy on the poor conditioned souls who really, really need it. So all I can say is, please just do it. Hare Krishna.